Hi friends, welcome back to another video of the channel. In this video we are gonna see how to make rotating text views. For that what you need is I'm gonna take a linear horizontal with a text view inside it, and I'm gonna choose gravity of the linear layout to be center horizontal, which will bring the text view to the center. Okay, now let me drag another linear layout, vertical one, and drag this inside. For that let me set it to match parent, and then keep the previous one inside, then set gravity to center vertical. Okay, now I'm gonna set some other textural text view, maybe like hi Sketchware. Okay, now let's go to the event on create. Okay, here we wanna create a component, a component, a timer T, and add it. Now drag timer after this block. This is gonna help us to create a constant rotation. Now choose T after maybe like 100, which is gonna maybe like 10 milliseconds. So I'm gonna do is 500, which is gonna be half a second. After every 500 second, then go to view and view set rotation. Where's that? We set rotation. Then drag this one of text view. I will simply add 0.5. Text view 1 plus 0.5. Yeah, that's it. Now let's save it and run the project. Okay, now let's install it. Oh, okay, now let me open it out. You can see that it's rotating now, but it's quite slow. Now let me increase the rotation. Okay, let's increase it by 2. Which is gonna give us 4 times the current rotation. Let me install it again. Okay, it's over here. As you can see, it's rotating. Okay, however, you can see that the content has been covered. So for that, let me show you what to do. On create, instead of text view 1, let's choose linear layout 1. The linear layout 1 is actually covering the content. Okay, now let's try that out. Also, to simulate it better, I'm gonna make a better frames. For that, I will reduce it by 250 and set it to 1, which is gonna give us a better frame FPS rates. As you can see, now our content is not covered. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.